Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you that easy and unisex beanie. We use only one stitch here. It's back post. It's so simple. You can make it in maybe 2 hours. You can make it everyone. It's adaptable for man, child or woman. You can make it colorful. You can change every round your color. It's your choice. You can make that beanie with multicolored. I think it's perfect with that pattern. You can put pom-pom, or if you don't want to use, you don't use. It's your choice. You can change that beanie every type. I hope you like that and you will try. It's so easy. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments. Also, don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our simple unisex beanie. Let's start to crochet. I crocheted the brim part and I want to give you a measurement. It's 18 inches. We measure that brim part like that tightly, okay, because it's so elastic and it's 50 centimeter nearly, and nearly 20 inches. I want to show you that brim part. I use 5.5 millimeter hook, and using that yarn Tanya 100% of acrylic, that Madame Tricot Paris. One ball is 100 grams and 120 meters, and its size is 5 bulky yarn. They recommend us using 4 or 5 millimeter hook, and you can wash it in 30 degrees, you can ironing, and you do not put in the drying machine. Again, I say I use brim part 5.5 millimeter hook. Now I want to show you how I did that brim part. Make a slip knot first, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. Then turn, insert into the second one, grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops and make a single. Then insert into the next one, make a single. Insert into the next one, make a single. I make every each stitch a single crochet. Eight, and this is the last one. Chain 1 and turn. First is so usual single crochet. Then skip that very first stitch because it belongs that chain 1. Then insert into the second one, but you see here 1 front loop, 1 back loop. I insert only back loop, grab the yarn and make a single. I insert into the back loop, grab the yarn and make a single. Then insert into the next stitch only back loop, grab the yarn and make a single. This time we will make a single crochet in every each back loop, like that. Insert into the next back loop, grab the yarn, make a single. Insert into the next, make a single. Insert into the next, make a single. I'm on the last stitch. Insert both loops, grab the yarn and make a usual single crochet. First and the last is same. Chain 1 and turn. Between of that first and the last stitch, you will always make with the back loops. You will keep crocheting like that until that brim part turn all around your head, or who make that beanie for whom. Okay. You will measure that brim part tightly because it's so elastic. Always work with back loop. I repeat that rows, and you can get bigger with adding more rows. Okay, that's the point. Then we join two sides together. I put that like. I will insert into the first stitch of that first rows, then grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Then come to the second stitch, only insert into the front loop, but first rows whole loop. Grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Insert into the front loop, insert here, make a slip stitch, insert into the front, insert that stitch, make a slip stitch. Front, both loops, grab the yarn, make a slip stitch. Front loop, both loop, grab the yarn, make a slip stitch. Do the same thing and join two sides together with slip stitch. Last stitch I insert both loop and the first rows both loop, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Then turn my brim part and look here, lose that loop and change my hook with the 6.5 millimeter. This time I want to make you more closer. We change our hook 6.5, chain 1 and not count that chain 1, yarn over and insert into the same stitch, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. We don't count that chain 1. We make that with making that first double crochet easily. Then yarn over and insert into the next row's loop, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next row and make a double. We will make a double in every row. You can see here. One is down part, one is up part, so we will make double crochet. Which number of that we have that rows? Yarn over, insert into that rows stitch, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert that rows, make a double. Insert that rows, make a double. I complete that first round after turn to you. I complete first round. I have 58 stitch. Insert into the top of the first double crochet. We start the second round. This time I insert my hook in the first stitch, back to front, then back, and take that loop from the back side like that. Chain 3 and count that for back post stitch. yarn over, insert my hook, back post, pull through two, pull through two, then yarn over, insert the back to front, then back, grab the yarn, pull through two, pull through two. I make every stitch a back post. I complete that round and turn to you. I crochet last back post, insert into the first stitch, chain 3, stop, grab the yarn and join with a slip stitch. Now again lose that loop, insert the first stitch of previous round, back to front, then back. After, take this loop and take it to the back side and chain 3 and count that as a first back post. Yarn over, insert the next stitch, back post like that, back to front, then back, and make a double. So it's back post double crochet, then insert like that. Always we do every round back post double crochet. That's the pattern. It's so easy. I crocheted that nearly from the brim part totally 19 centimeter, 19 or 20. After turn to you and tell you how many rounds I crocheted and how much centimeter. I finished that. After turn to you and we start to close our Beanie stop. I crocheted totally 20 centimeter and it's 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 rows. Now we start to decrease our Beanie stop. Lose that loop again, insert my hook back to front and take this loop, 3 again, count as first back post, yarn over, insert into the next and make one more, 2, yarn over, insert into the next and make one more. We made 3 back post double crochet. Now yarn over, insert into the fourth one, grab the yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the fifth one, grab the yarn, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Now again make 3 back post, 1, 2 and 3. Then decrease that 2 to the 1. Insert the first one, pull through 2. Insert the second one, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Make 3 back post. After, crochet 2 stitch together with back post stitch. I complete that round and turn to you. I complete that round, join with a slip stitch from the first, chain 3, stop, like that, lose that loop again, insert my hook and take my loop back side, chain 3, count as first back post. Now we crochet 1 back post, then decrease, 1 back post, then decrease. So I insert my hook back to front, then back, grab the yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the next one and pull through 2, pull through all together. Then make 1 back post, then decrease 2 stitch together, 1 and 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Then crochet 1 stitch and crochet 2 stitch together, 1 and 2. That round like that. I finish that and turn to you. 1 back post, then decrease. Okay, don't forget. I complete that round and we decrease the top and we decrease 1 round more. After finish our Beanie, join with a slip stitch from the first stitch, lose that loop, insert the first stitch again and take my loop back side. This time we chain 2 because we decrease all the stitch. Count as that half of that double, yarn over and insert into the second one as back post and pull through 2 and pull through all together. Yarn over, insert the next one, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the next one, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. 1, and this is 2, pull through all together. 1, 2, pull through all together. 1, 2, pull through all together. You decrease all the stitch. I finish that round and turn to you. I decrease all the stitch and join with a slip stitch from the first stitch stop. Look at the top of that head and lose my loop and cut my yarn. I insert that tail here, my stitch. Then I take this tail and insert that loop, then shrink that top of my beanie. We close the top. I take it to the back side. Here is the top. I made a pom-pom for it. If you don't want to, you don't need to use that. And I want to tie it. I don't want to sew that, because if we don't want to use, we can take off easily. That's our beanie is ready. It's so easy and unisex. You can make it for men or child or woman. You can make it everyone. I hope you like it and you will try that. It's so easy using only one stitch, that's back post, and you have that 3D effect. Hope you like this tutorial and you will try. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and thanks for your support. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook and on Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.